Welcome to Atlas International, where innovation meets precision. For over 50 years, we've been pioneering the future of snacks food manufacturing. Introducing the NPCL 700, Atlas's patented natural potato chips production line. Built for performance, designed for flexibility, engineered for excellence. It all begins with raw potato loading and precise dosing. Our destoning and high-pressure washing systems ensure thorough cleaning before peeling, delivering only the best raw material to the slicer. Atlas integrates Belgian slicing precision from FAM, offering 3 slicing shapes options. Our client's new favorite? The famous sticks cut, crispy, uniform, and perfect for global markets. Next, blanching to reduce starch and to preserve color and texture. Then, our high-efficiency air knife dries the blanched potatoes before frying chips to golden perfection, all in a stainless steel, industrial-grade fryer with filtration system. With multiple quality control inspection points, the NPCL 700 ensures consistency at every stage. Final touch? Dynamic flavoring and seasoning units for constant bold taste in every bite. Finally, packaging. Precision multi-head weighers and fully automated systems give your products retail-ready brilliance with every batch. Built with top-tier components from trusted suppliers around the globe, Atlas have been serving over 950 satisfied clients in more than 90 countries and growing. Ready to elevate your chips business? Book your demo at Atlas International today and see the NPCL 700 in action.